Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic rounding of numbers nearest 100 and nearest 1000. In previous classes, we already learned about rounding of numbers nearest to 10. Just to revise how we can find out nearest tens. Consider the example, given the number 14. The 14 take the first number as 1. So 14 is sliced between the number 10 and 20. Then we take ones place value. Here ones place value 14. Ones place value is 4. So less than 5. So it is rounded down to the first number, that is 10. That is in the case of nearest to 10, we take ones place value, that is less than 5. It is rounded down. Greater than or equal to 5, it is rounded up to the next number. Okay. Today we will learn about the topic nearest 100 and nearest 1000. First we take nearest 100. I will explain with the help of some example. Consider number 372. Here our first number is 3. So we write 3. In the case of 100 we put 20, that is 300. Then adding 100 to this number, then we get the answer 400. So write here 400. Therefore, (372) is lies between 300 and 400. Next we draw the number line. Then our starting number is 300 and our ending number is 400. Then we write the next number as 310. Next is 320. Next is 330. 340. 350. 360. 370. 380. Then 390. And last 400. Then in between 300 and 310 there is 10 numbers, that is 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309 and last is 310. Okay, in between all numbers there are 10 values. Our number is 372. Then where is 372 is located? That is in between 370 and 380. Then just we mark 372 here. Okay. Next we want it is rounded up or rounded down. Then in earlier problem, that is the nearest tens case, we already know that less than 5 it is rounded down and greater than or equal to 5 it is rounded up. Here our value is 372. So 372 is very close to the number 400. Therefore 372 is rounded up to the number 400. Okay, then take the value 372. Then 372 is lies between 300 and 400. Then take tens place value. In nearest 100 we take the tens place value. In tens place value is less than 5 or greater than 5. Yeah, it is greater than 5. So we write greater than 5. In earlier problem we already know that. Once again I repeat, that is less than 5 it is rounded down. Greater than or equal to 5 it is rounded up. Here our tens place value is 7. So it is greater than 5. So it is down or up? Yes, it is up category, that is 7 is greater than 5. Therefore 372 is rounded up to 400. Therefore we write 372 is rounded up to 400. Once again I explain the problem. Consider the number 372. Take the first number. Here first number is 3. Then we write 3. And in the case of nearest 100 we put 2 zeros. Here 300. Then adding 100 to this number, then we get 400. Therefore 372 is lies between 300 and 400. Then draw the number line. Starting number is 300 and ending number is 400. Then we mark 310, 320, etc. then write up to 400. Then our number is 372. Our 372 is located in the place of between 370 and 380. Then just mark it 372. We know that 370 is very close to the number 400. Therefore, it is rounded up this number. Then again write 372. Then lies between 300 and 400. Here we take tens place value. Before we study nearest tens, that means nearest 10 case we take only ones place value. Here nearest 100 we take tens place value. Here our tens place value is 7. Then our category is as less than 5, it is rounded down to the first number, greater than or equal to 5, it is rounded up to the next number. Here our number is 7. 7 is less than 5 or greater than 5. Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So we write 372 is rounded up to the number 400. Therefore we write 372 is rounded up to 400. Okay. Consider another example. Then write the number 843. Here our first number is 8. Then write 8, and in case of nearest 100 we put 2 zeros. Then adding 100 to this number, then we write 900. So 843 lies between the number 800 and 900. Then we draw the number line. Then our starting number is 800 and our ending number is 900. In between the numbers 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880 and 890. Okay, then next we want 843. Where is 843 is located? Do you have any idea? Yes, 843 in between the number 840 and 850. So we just write here 843. Then next we want it is rounded down or rounded up. 843 is up or down? Yes, it is very close to the number 800. Therefore, we write down. Okay, next we write 843. Then first we write it is lies between 800 and 900. Next we take which value? Next we take tens place value. Here our tens place value is 4. In our condition is that it is less than 5, tens place value is less than 5, it is down. Then greater than or equal to 5, it is up. Here our number is 4. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 4 is less than 5. So it is rounded down. Therefore 843 is rounded down to the number 800. So we write 843 is rounded down to 800. Okay, once again I explain. Given the number 843, here our first number is 8, so we write 8 and put 20 because the case of nearest 100, and adding 100 to this number, then we get 900. Therefore 843 lies between 800 and 900. Then we draw the number line. Starting number is 800 and our ending number is 900. Then marking in between the numbers. Then next we want to find out our 843. 843 is in between 840 and 850. So we just write 843 and write inside the box. Then next we want it is rounded down or rounded up. 843 is very close to the number 800. So we know that 843 is rounded down to the number 800. Then we write 843 lies between the number 800 and 900. In our condition is that our tens place value is less than 5. So it is down to the first number. Our tens place value is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to the next number. So we take our tens place value is 4. So 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 4 is less than 5. So it is rounded up or rounded down? Yes, it is rounded down. So it is rounded down to the first number, that is 843 is rounded down to the number 800. Okay. Our next topic is nearest 1000. I will explain with the help of some example. Consider the number 1732. Here our first number is 1. So we write 1 and put 30 because the case of nearest 1000. Then here adding 1000 to this number, then we get 2000. So 1732 is lies between the number 1000 and 2000. Next we draw the number line. Our starting number is 1000 and our ending number is 2000. In between the number 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, then 1600, then 1700, 1800, last is 1900. Then next we want 1732 is where is located. That is in between the number 1700 and 1800. So just we write 1732 here. So it is very close to the number 2000. So it is rounded up. Then we write 1732 is lies between 1000 and 2000. Next we take the value. Do you have any idea which value we have to take? In the case of nearest 10, we take 1's place value. In the case of nearest 100, we take 10's place value. So, yes, in the case of nearest 1000, we take the value. Yeah, it is 100's place. So, we mark it as 100's place. Here our 100's place value is 7. Our condition is that, yes, less than 5, it is rounded down. Next condition, yes, greater than or equal to 5, it is rounded up. So here our value is 100's place value is 7. So it is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So we just write greater than 5. So it is rounded up or down? Yes, it is rounded up to which number? Yes, rounded up to the number 2000. Therefore, we write 1732 is rounded up to 2000. Okay, once again I explain the problem. Our given number is 1732. We take the first number, that is 1. So we write 1 and put 30. Why we are putting 30? Because it is the case of nearest 1000. So we write 30. So we write 1000 here and adding 1000 to this number. Then we get 2000. Therefore 1732 is lies between 1000 and 2000. Okay. Next we want draw the number line. Our starting number is 1000 and our ending number is 2000. Then we write 1100, 1200, etc. up to 2000. Okay. Next we want to mark 1732. That is in between the number 1700 and 1800. So we just write 1732 here. It is very close to the number 2000. So we draw one line here and mark it as up. Next we write 1732 is lies between the number 1000 and 2000. Here we take which place value? Ones? No. Then tens? No. We take which place value? Yes, hundreds place value. So we just mark hundreds place value. Next we look hundreds place value is less than 5 or greater than 5. In our nearest condition is that less than 5 it is rounded down or greater than 5, greater than or equal to 5 is rounded up. Here our number is 7. It is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So it is rounded up to the next number. Therefore, 1732 is rounded up to 2000. Okay. Consider another example. Number is 5234. Here our first number is 5. So we write 5. In the case of nearest 1000, we write 3 zeros here and adding 1000 to this number, then we get 6000. So 5234 is lies between the number 5000 and 6000. Next we want draw the number line. Our starting number is 5000 and our ending number is 6000. So we write 5100, then 5200, 5300, 5400, 5500, 5600, 5700, 5800, and last is 5900. Then our last number is 6000. Here we want the number is 5234. Where is 5234 is located? Yes, it is like in between 5200 and 5300. So we write 5234. Then just mark it as 5234 here. So it is very closer to which number? 5000 or 6000? Yes, it is very closer to the number 5000. So in this side it is down category. Next we write 5234. Lies between 5000 and 6000. Then next we take which value? Hundreds place value. Here our hundreds place value is 2. So our categories are less than 5. It is rounded down. Greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up. So here our number is 2. That is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. Yes, it is less than 5. So here we write less than 5. So it is rounded down to 5000. Therefore we write 5234 is rounded down to 5000. Okay, once again I explain. Consider number 5234. Here our first number is 5. So we write 5 and put 30 because the case of nearest 1000 there are 30. Then adding 1000 to this number, then we get 6000. Therefore 5234 is lies between 5000 and 6000. Then draw the number line. Our starting number is 5000 and our ending number is 6000. Then we write 5100, 5200 etc. up to 6000. Next we located 5234. 5234 is in between the number 5200 and 5300. So just we mark 5234 here. Then it is very close to the number 5000. So we just mark it as 5000 and write down category. Next we want write 5234 is lies between 5000 and 6000. Then we take which place value? Ones? No. Then tens? No. Which place value? Yes, hundreds place value. Here our hundreds place value is 2. That is less than 5 or greater than 5. Yes, it is less than 5. So it is down category or up category? Yes, it is down category. Therefore, 5234 is rounded down to 5000. Okay. I hope all of you understood. Next we will meet with another topic. Children, take care. Bye.